Now we are going to demonstrate how Mukhabhyanga is performed. Face is constantly exposed to the atmosphere, so there can be some dust particles settled on. So let us clean the face first. Clean the face and neck with a cotton pad soaked in rose water to remove any dust, sweat or makeup. There are so many natural cleansers available like normal water, milk, oil, cucumber water, rose water, etc. Here we are using rose water because of its cleansing and refreshing properties. Now facial cleansing is completed. Let us start Mukhabhyanga with a prayer. We are going to use some coconut oil. Warm up the oil by rubbing with both hands. Apply enough coconut oil over the face. Spread the oil uniformly over the face and neck. Keep your thumb at the third eye and the remaining fingers at the jaw angle. Start the stroke from the third eye with the thumb, keeping the other fingers at the jaw angle. Move just above the eyebrows and complete the sequence at the jaw angle. With each sequence, move a little up over the forehead. Cover the entire forehead in 3 or 4 sequences. Start the stroke from the third eye, just above the eyebrows, and complete at the jaw angle. Each time, start from the third eye, move a little up over the forehead, and complete the sequence at the jaw angle. Minimum repetition of each stroke is 6 times. Usually, with the 3 or 4 sequences, we can cover the entire forehead. Once the entire forehead is covered, one stroke is completed. There are 37 marma points on the head. The first few marma points we are going to touch while doing face massage are Adipa, Avarta, Apanka, Shankha, Ulkshepa. Face massage also helps in keeping the health of sinuses, especially ethmoidal sinus, frontal sinus, and maxillary sinus. The second stroke of the face massage also activates the marma point, Fana. The second stroke is from the nasal bridge to the cheekbone. There are two sequences for this stroke. First one goes below the cheekbone and second one over the cheekbone. Bridge of the nose, cheekbone and jaw angle are the important areas covered in the second stroke. Start the stroke from the bridge of the nose, below the cheekbone and complete at the jaw angle. Again start from the nasal bridge, over the cheekbone, complete at the jaw angle. Now one stroke is completed. The third stroke starts from the chin. It has two sequences. First sequence starts below the lower lip to the jaw angle. Second one from chin to the jaw angle. Keep the thumb below the lower lip and the remaining fingers at the jaw angle. Sequence starts below the lower lip to the jaw angle, then from chin to the jaw angle. This is a very important area because mandibular group of lymph nodes are located here. With these strokes, we are trying to move accumulated toxins from the face to these lymph nodes and to the main circulation. Stroke number 4 is the combination of stroke number 1 and stroke number 2. Start the stroke from the third eye with the thumb just above the eyebrows to the cheekbone. Lift your finger to the nasal bridge, then below the cheekbone to the jaw angle. Repeat the sequence again, but each time move a little up over the forehead to cover the whole forehead. Once the whole forehead is covered, one stroke is completed. Repeat the sequence again. Start from the third eye, just above the eyebrow, to the cheekbone, to the nasal bridge, below the cheekbone, and finish at the jaw angle. Beginning part of the stroke is similar to that of the previous one. Start from third eye just above the eyebrows to the cheekbone, then to the nasal bridge, below the cheekbone to the jaw angle, followed by 3 inward circles over the cheek. Complete the stroke onto the front of the neck and shoulder. Here, each stroke is moving just above the eyebrows only. Stroke number 6 is performed on the front of the neck. Massage the front of the neck using the whole palm, starting from the chest towards the chin. Begin the massage from the right side towards the left, and then back. Stroke number 7 is performed on the back of the neck. Start below 7th cervical spine, massage on either side of the neck, then hold the base of the skull and give a gentle traction towards you. Here, fingertips are used for applying pressure on either side of the neck. Start below 7th cervical spine, massage on either side of the neck, then hold the base of the skull and give a gentle traction towards you. Repeat the stroke minimum 6 times. Start from the third eye, just above the eyebrows to the first point, and make 3 gentle forward circles with the tip of the thumb. Start from the third eye, move a little up on the forehead, and make 3 gentle forward circles over the second point. Again start from the third eye, more up onto the forehead, and forward circles on the third point. Stroke number 8 stimulates the 3 important marma points connected with the eyes. Here, massage is performed by the tip of the thumb in forward circles.